It's April 7th, 2019. It's been pretty rainy here in Seattle. Let's start with the update over here. You can see the ficus tree is looking pretty healthy, lots of new leaves. And as you can see, there's a ladybug over there. You'll see more because I released some yesterday. The succulents are all looking pretty good. Pineapple is looking fine. Not too much has changed since they've only been outdoor for maybe a week or so. The succulents over here, you can see some new leaves coming out from the top. And the grapes are looking very magnificent. You can see a lot of new growth on all the buds. Not sure what to look for the grape flowers, but we will see, I suppose. And over here we have the lavender. You can see that lavender is growing now. Lots of new growth. Hydrangea. You can see some flowers. Gonna come up pretty nicely. Saffron leaves are changing color now. The Persian pearl tulip, you can see all the flowers are gone now. Summer snowflake, daffodils are still around. Here are still some of the flowers. Looking very nice. Peony, I'm only seeing leaves. Not sure what I should look for the flowers. And the grape hyacinth, the flowers are still around. Here we have some other bulb plants, some ladybugs. And yeah, this one, the flowers are pretty much gone too. Down here we have another summer snowflake, some succulents, and I'll show you the dahlia. You can see the dahlia sprouts are coming up from the soil now. So I'm gonna move this somewhere else. Let's look at the mulberry. You can see the buds are all opening up now. Hopefully we can get some flowers this year. Not sure what to look for either, so we'll just keep an eye on this one. Down here we have the lily of the valley. See some flowers that's gonna open up pretty soon. A lot of them actually. So I'm excited. Blueberry, you can see the flowers that's gonna open up pretty soon, probably within this week actually. Lots of new growth. I don't see any damage from the black vine weevils yet, so that's a good sign. And I believe right here you can actually see some blueberry flowers that's already opened right here. Little cute bell-shaped flowers. And the grape hyacinth is still around. You can see all the flowers. I've seen some bees around. And crocus, you can see it's all just leaves now. Hyacinth as well. And then this sad little tulip flower doesn't look great, but what can I do? And here are the other blueberry bush. You can see some flowers and leaves coming out. Here we have the strawberries. Strawberries looking very healthy. Lots of leaf growth, and then some of them are actually sending out flowers now, like this one over here. And then here we have a lot more strawberry flowers. Let me show you, like this one over here. And then here, there's another strawberry flower. And here you can see a bunch of strawberry flowers. So yeah, and we're gonna actually get some strawberries pretty soon. The hydrangea, you can see some flowers and a little group of ladybugs, so cute. But yeah, this bush is gonna produce a lot of hydrangea flowers. And this one, maybe not as many flowers since I trimmed it, pruned it, so it's probably a lot of vegetative growth instead of flowers. The raspberry, you can see there's going to be a lot of flowers that's going to open up probably within the month. Here's just more of them, flowers with a ladybug. And the catnips, there was an issue with lots of aphids, so I guess the ladybugs are enjoying the feast on the catnips. Let's look at the asparagus. Right here you can see the purple variety has sprouted. It's a pretty skinny one, and this one is a few year old asparagus sprouts. I'm gonna harvest the longest one first, and then here's another, I believe it's the purple variety asparagus sprouts right there. So yeah, they're all sprouting now. Rhubarb, just lots of new leaf growth. Looking nice. And right here, this leaf, there's some damage. Hopefully it's not black vine weevil, so I'll definitely keep an eye on that. Potato, not seeing anything yet. And the artichoke, right here, you can see this leaf has opened up, and it's going to produce another new leaf from the center. And at the soil, you can also see some seedlings. Those are most likely the tomato I planted last year. So maybe I can do something with them. Right here we have the saffron. You can see the leaves are definitely changing color now. It's going dormant. And the calla lily, this portion is the outdoor. You can see a little sprouts. So the outdoor portion is just starting to sprout, and the stored indoor ones are already sprouting. You can see the leaves coming out. So yeah, that's for the outdoor. There's not too much to talk for the indoor garden. Just lots of new growth like last week, and pear plants has been producing a lot of flowers. Like right here you can see some more flowers. And then right here, the phalaenopsis flowers are still around. They last pretty long, so that's good. And the spider plant, it's still sending out a lot more flower spikes. You can see right here, a lot more flowers. Down here we have the orchids. The new growths are just getting longer now. There's two over here. And let's see. Right here we have the Easter cactus. You can see those new growths has become new leaves. And this little guy over here is producing some new growths too. Those little red sprouts at the tip. The wandering Jews are doing pretty well. The elephant ear, I'm not seeing anything yet. String of pearls are looking super healthy. The Stockholm fern, not too much to talk about really. And yeah, let's just take a quick look at all the other orchids. Yeah, not too much to talk about, like I said.